What if I told you there's a workout plan so powerful that it could double your max lift, but almost no one knows about it? Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how it works. John was tired of feeling weak, not just physically, but mentally. A freshman in college, he battled crippling anxiety, constantly second-guessing himself in class, in social situations, and especially in the gym. He watched others lift heavier weights, their confidence radiating, while he felt small, invisible, and inadequate. One night, after another workout where he felt like a failure, John sat on his dorm bed, scrolling through fitness forums, desperate for something, anything, that could change his situation. That's when he stumbled upon an idea, a method so intense it made his heart race just reading about it. This wasn't a workout for the weak-willed. It demanded everything. But if it worked, it could make him stronger than he ever imagined. John made a decision. He was going to do this. He was going to become unstoppable. Step 1. The workout. John walked into the gym, gripping the barbell like his life depended on it. No counting sets, no counting reps, just lift until failure. He loaded the bar with his max weight and pushed until his muscles screamed. Then he dropped 5 pounds, took a deep breath, and went again. His arms shook, sweat dripped from his forehead. His mind screamed for him to stop, but he didn't. Drop another 5 pounds. Go again. Drop another 5 pounds. Go again. By the time he reached the final 10-pound set, he was completely spent. His body was wrecked, but for the first time, he felt powerful. Step 2. Refueling the fire. Collapsing onto the bench, John knew this wasn't just about lifting, it was about rebuilding. His body needed fuel to recover and grow, protein-packed meals, healthy fats, and enough water to flood a river. This wasn't optional. It was part of the plan, a ritual of transformation. He blended a shake, feeling every aching muscle, knowing that pain was proof of progress. Every bite, every sip, it all fueled his evolution, rest, and the unbreakable mindset. The old John would have felt guilty for resting, but he wasn't that guy anymore. He knew recovery was as important as the grind, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, days off between upper and lower body sessions, listening to his body, respecting the process. This wasn't about ego lifting, this was about true strength, the kind built with patience, discipline, and fire. Weeks passed, then a month. The gym felt different now. The weights that once felt impossible were no longer a challenge. His max lift doubled. But that wasn't the biggest change. John stood taller, spoke with confidence, looked people in the eye. Because he wasn't just lifting weights anymore, he was lifting himself. The fear, the anxiety, the doubt, crushed. Now, the only thing left was to keep pushing forward. If you have the courage to follow this workout, to embrace the pain, and to push yourself past your limits, you won't just get stronger, you'll become unstoppable. Drop a comment if you're ready to take on this challenge, and hit that subscribe button for more game-changing workouts you won't find anywhere else. Let's get stronger together. Get